Creating a landing page in WordPress is simple and involves a few straightforward steps. Choose a page builder. First, you can use the default WordPress editor or install a page builder plugin like Elementor or WP Bakery for more customization options. Create a new page. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages, Add New. Title your page. Set the page template. On the right-hand side under Page Attributes, set the template to blank template or full width. This removes sidebars and other distractions. Click Publish to create the page. Design your landing page. If using Elementor, click Edit with Elementor. Use a drag and drop editor to add sections, headlines, text, images, and forms. Customize the page's layout, fonts, colors, and design elements. If using the default editor, add your content using the available blocks. Add call to action. Include a strong CTA to convert visitors. Set as homepage. Go to Settings, Reading, and set the landing page as your homepage.